Crafting a powerful conclusion for your literature review. Hello, dear learners. Today, we will dive into an essential component of a literature review: the conclusion. By the end of this video, you should be able to craft a conclusion that effectively summarizes and synthesizes your findings. A conclusion in a literature review serves as a wrap-up of your entire research journey. It provides a summary of the key findings from the reviewed literature and offers insights or perspectives based on your analysis. Unlike other types of essays, a conclusion in a literature review doesn't typically present new ideas. Instead, it synthesizes and brings together the main points you've discussed. The conclusion is your final opportunity to 1. Emphasize the relevance and importance of your review. 2. Showcase the gaps or areas of contention in the existing literature. 3. Propose directions for future research based on your findings. Remember, the conclusion acts as the lasting impression you leave on your readers, so make it impactful. To write an effective conclusion for your literature review, consider the following steps. 1. Restate the main theme or objective of your review. 2. Summarize the key findings and major arguments presented in the review. 3. Highlight the significance of your review in the broader context of your field or subject. 4. Identify any gaps or areas where further research might be necessary. 5. End with a final thought or reflection on the overall state of the literature you've reviewed. 1. Be concise. A conclusion should be brief and to the point. Avoid unnecessary repetitions. 2. Avoid introducing new ideas. Focus on summarizing and synthesizing. 3. Use strong and clear language. Be confident in your statements, emphasizing the importance of your review. 4. Engage the reader. Pose a question or provide a call to action, encouraging readers to think more deeply about the topic. In wrapping up, the conclusion of your literature review isn't just a formal requirement. It's a chance to drive home the significance of your research and analysis. By following the guidelines and tips discussed in this video, you can craft a powerful conclusion that leaves a lasting impression. Happy writing, and always remember, the end of a literature review is just the beginning of a larger conversation in the academic world.